Welcome to Provence, a geographical and historical region of southern France. We spent 3 days there. Let me show you around. We were lucky to start our first day with a wonderful French breakfast under the lovely plane trees at Le Magdeleine Hotel. Afterwards, we toured the hotel's grounds, which were amazing. Afterwards, it was on to Château La Coste, a wine estate that boasts not only a vineyard, but also an auditorium, 3 restaurants, including a Michelin star restaurant, and a walking nature tour of art installation and sculptures, many of which are by famous artists, including one by the American artist and musician Bob Dylan. We walked, and walked, and did some push-ups.
That's where it is.
And walked some more.
In here.
Mom, come.
What is it?
Come. This is
our
crazy.
cave.
It's so cool.
There are 4 kilometers of art installations on site.
Oh wow.
It's so cool.
This is like super spooky.
It's made out of logs.
Oh wow.
Welcome to Vineyards.
We arrived at the main Bob Dylan exhibit. Only socks allowed in here. I really enjoyed the 3-panel piece of Joshua trees. Across a small vineyard from this building, there was a sculpture by Bob Dylan called Rail Car. In addition to all the other amazing installations, there were 2 original pieces by Picasso. On day 2, we were off to the port town of Cassis. There's a tennis club in Cassis where there are several restaurants, and we spent the afternoon down on the rocks beneath the club. The water was rough, but people were having a great time, and there were cliff divers. That evening, after we got cleaned up, we had dinner at the port. There's a lovely boardwalk with lots of restaurants to choose from. On the last day, we went to the Carrières de Lumières, which is an old quarry that has been transformed to do multimedia art shows set to music. It was incredible. I'll let you judge for yourself. To get different views of the art show, you can walk up to different levels or even scramble up on some rocks. It was a fabulous experience and one I would definitely recommend. Well, it was time to go home, but as we were driving, we saw this flash of red off the side of the road and realized that we were driving past a cherry orchard, so you know we had to stop. I hope you have a wonderful week and look forward to seeing you back next time.
So windy.